Have you ever wondered about the diverse ecosystems and scenic landscapes of Bac Ma Mountain? Nestled within the heart of Thuy Thien Hue Province, Bac Ma Mountain stands majestically in the midst of Bach Ma National Park, a testament to the enduring beauty of Vietnam's natural heritage. This enchanting destination is a beacon of biodiversity, home to a myriad of ecosystems from tropical rainforests to subtropical forests. It's a place where tranquil waterfalls cascade into meandering streams, where panoramic viewpoints offer breathtaking vistas of the surrounding landscape. Bac Ma Mountain is more than just a mountain. It's a sanctuary, a playground for adventurers, and a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Our journey today takes us through this captivating terrain, from the dense, verdant forests at its base to the awe-inspiring summit overlooking the park. We'll delve into the mountain's rich history, shedding light on its past and the significance it holds today. As we traverse the mountain's rugged trails, we'll uncover the hidden gems that make Bac Ma Mountain a treasure trove of natural wonders. We'll explore the network of hiking trails that meander through the park, each one offering a unique perspective of the mountain's diverse ecosystems. From the popular Hai Vong Dai Trail that leads to the park's highest peak, to the lesser-known paths that wind their way to hidden waterfalls and tranquil streams, every trail promises an adventure. As we journey through Bac Ma Mountain, we'll also delve into the conservation efforts that are preserving this pristine wilderness for future generations. We'll learn about the endangered species that call this place home, the restoration of damaged habitats, and the sustainable tourism practices that ensure the mountain's enduring splendor. So buckle up, adventure seekers, as we prepare to embark on an unforgettable journey. We're about to uncover the secrets of Bac Ma Mountain, to experience its majesty firsthand, and to understand why it continues to captivate the hearts of those who venture here. Join us as we embark on an unforgettable journey through Bac Ma Mountain. Bac Ma National Park, a sanctuary of biodiversity, is our starting point. This jewel of nature, established in the year 1991, sprawls across an impressive area of over 37,000 hectares. The park's centerpiece, Bac Ma Mountain, towers majestically within this expansive landscape, serving as a silent guardian over the park's diverse habitats. The park is a beautiful tapestry of ecosystems. Imagine a world swathed in the emerald hues of tropical rainforests, evergreen forests, and subtropical forests. Each of these habitats is a world unto itself, teeming with life and echoing with the sounds of nature. It's a symphony of biodiversity that resonates through the air, water, and soil, creating a harmony that is both soothing and invigorating. Bac Ma National Park is a sanctuary for an impressive array of flora and fauna. Here, the curious eye can spot the vibrant colors of exotic flowers, the intricate designs of unique insects, and the shy creatures that call these woods home. From the smallest microorganism to the largest mammal, each species plays a vital role in maintaining the balance of this ecosystem. For the bird watchers among us, the park is a paradise. Over 300 species of birds have been recorded here, making Bac Ma National Park one of the most important areas for bird conservation in Vietnam. Listen closely, and you might hear the melodious song of a pheasant, the sharp call of a hawk, or the soft hoot of an owl. But it's not just about the birds and the bees. The park also provides sanctuary to a multitude of mammals, reptiles, and amphibians. It's a living, breathing testament to the richness of life on Earth, and an important stronghold for many endangered species. This isn't just a park. It's a living laboratory for scientists, a classroom for students, and a sanctuary for those seeking solace in nature's embrace. It's a place where conservation meets recreation, where every step taken is a step towards understanding and appreciating the world we live in. Bac Ma National Park is truly a haven for nature lovers and conservationists alike. As we delve deeper into this verdant paradise, let's keep our senses attuned to the wonders that await. Each sight, each sound, each scent is a part of the story of Bac Ma National Park, a story that we're about to unfold together. Bac Ma Mountain offers a network of hiking trails that wind through its spectacular landscapes. Imagine being surrounded by lush forests, the air filled with the aroma of damp earth and verdant foliage. Now, add the gentle rustling of leaves as the wind whispers through the trees, and the distant sound of a waterfall cascading down a rocky cliff. This is the sensory experience that awaits you on the hiking trails of Bac Ma Mountain. One of the most popular trails is the Hai Vong Dai Trail. This path meanders through dense forests, past tranquil streams, and up hilly terrains, leading you to the park's highest peak. From the summit, you are treated to a breathtaking panorama that stretches as far as the eye can see. It's a view that captures the essence of Bac Ma's beauty, from the emerald green of its forests to the shimmering blue of its distant rivers. Another trail that's worth exploring is the one leading to Thuy Thien Waterfall. Named after the rhododendron flowers that grow abundantly in the area, this trail guides you through a scenic route that gradually reveals the waterfall's splendor. As you get closer, the gentle murmur of the stream transforms into a majestic roar, and the waterfall emerges, cascading down a cliff in a display of raw, natural beauty. But the appeal of Bac Ma's trails isn't just about the destinations. It's also about the journey. Each trail offers a unique adventure, whether it's the thrill of ascending to the peak, the serenity of following a meandering stream, or the joy of stumbling upon a hidden grove of flowering trees. And let's not forget about the wildlife. As you hike these trails, you may catch a glimpse of some of the park's inhabitants. From the graceful sambar deers grazing in the undergrowth to the vibrant sunbirds flitting from tree to tree, each encounter adds a touch of magic to your hike. Hiking these trails allows you to experience the serenity of Bac Ma Mountain up close. As you navigate these paths, you are not just a visitor, but a part of the mountain's symphony of life and nature. So lace up your hiking boots and let Bac Ma Mountain's trails lead you on an unforgettable journey. As we traverse the trails of Bac Ma Mountain, we uncover hidden gems that showcase the mountain's natural splendor. The beauty of this majestic mountain is not confined to its towering peaks and verdant valleys. It's a treasure trove of unique flora and fauna that adds to the allure of this enchanting destination. As we journey through the mountain's lush forests, we encounter a myriad of vibrant flowers that paint the landscape with their rich hues. From the delicate orchids that thrive in the mountain's moist climate to the striking rhododendrons that bloom in a riot of colors, each flower is a testament to the mountain's remarkable biodiversity. These floral wonders not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the mountain, but also play a crucial role in its ecosystem, providing nourishment and shelter to a multitude of insects and birds. Speaking of birds, Bac Ma Mountain is a symphony of melodious bird songs that echo through the forest. It's a haven for birdwatchers, with over 300 species calling this mountain home. From the elusive crested argus with its captivating display of feathers to the vibrant kingfishers darting along the streams, each bird adds a unique note to the mountain's harmonious symphony. As we continue our journey, we come across scenic viewpoints that offer awe-inspiring panoramas of the surrounding landscape. Among these, the Five Lakes Overlook stands out. Here we pause to take in the breathtaking view of 5 serene lakes nestled amidst the verdant foliage, their placid waters reflecting the sky above. It's a sight that captures the serene beauty of Bac Ma Mountain in a single frame. But these are just a few of the many hidden gems that Bac Ma Mountain has to offer. Each trail, each turn, each step on this journey reveals a new facet of the mountain's natural splendor. Whether it's the rustling of leaves underfoot, the gentle murmur of a nearby stream, or the sight of a rare butterfly flitting by, every moment on Bac Ma Mountain is a sensory feast for the soul. From vibrant flowers to melodious birds, Bac Ma Mountain offers a sensory feast for the soul. This journey through the mountain's hidden gems invites us to appreciate the beauty of nature in its purest form. It's a journey that leaves us with a sense of awe and wonder, reminding us of the magic that lies hidden in the heart of the wilderness. Opening. Bac Ma National Park is not just a place of natural beauty, it's a sanctuary for preserving Vietnam's rich biodiversity. Our journey through Bac Ma Mountain wouldn't be complete without acknowledging the critical conservation efforts taking place here. This majestic mountain and its surrounding parkland are more than just a haven for adventure seekers and nature enthusiasts. They are a vital lifeline for countless species. Right now, dedicated teams are working tirelessly to protect the park's endangered species, from the elusive Indo-Chinese tiger to the rare Sayola antelope. These efforts involve not only safeguarding the animals themselves, but also their habitats. Restoring damaged areas, combating poaching, and promoting sustainable tourism practices are all part of this mission. But why are these efforts so important? Well, each species plays a unique role in the ecosystem, contributing to a healthy and balanced environment. The loss of even one species can have a ripple effect, potentially leading to the loss of others and upsetting the delicate equilibrium of the park's diverse habitats. Moreover, these efforts protect the very essence of Bac Ma. The mountain's allure lies not only in its breathtaking vistas and tranquil trails, but also in its vibrant tapestry of life. Without these creatures and the habitats they call home, Bac Ma would lose much of its charm and character. But the responsibility of conservation doesn't rest solely on the shoulders of park staff. Visitors, too, can play a vital role in preserving Bac Ma's ecosystem. From following park guidelines to participating in volunteer programs, there are numerous ways to contribute. By visiting Bac Ma, you're not just embarking on an adventure, you're stepping into a world that needs your help. You're becoming part of a community that values nature and understands the importance of safeguarding it. And it's through this collective effort, this shared sense of stewardship, that we can protect the magic of Bac Ma. Ending by fostering a sense of stewardship among visitors, we can ensure that Bac Ma Mountain remains a pristine wilderness for future generations. As our journey through Bac Ma Mountain comes to an end, we are left with a profound appreciation for the majesty of nature. This remarkable destination in the heart of Thuy Thien Hue Province has captivated our senses and invigorated our spirits. Its grandeur lies not only in its towering peaks and verdant valleys, but also in its rich tapestry of biodiversity. We have traversed the winding trails of Bac Ma Mountain, each step unveiling a new spectacle of natural beauty. From the panoramic vistas at the summit of Hai Vong Dai Trail to the serene melody of the streams cascading down the mountainside, the mountain has offered us an intimate glimpse into its enchanting world. The vibrant hues of exotic flowers, the melodious songs of native birds, and the tranquil ambience of the Five Lakes Overlook are but a few of the hidden gems we've encountered along the way. Bach Ma National Park, the guardian of this majestic mountain, stands as a beacon of conservation. Its vast expanse, stretching over 37,000 hectares, shelters an array of diverse ecosystems. Tropical rainforests, evergreen forests, and subtropical forests intertwine to form a sanctuary for flora and fauna alike. The park's stewardship ensures that Bac Ma Mountain remains a haven for nature lovers and conservationists, preserving the richness of Vietnam's biodiversity. But the story of Bac Ma Mountain doesn't end here. The mountain continues to inspire, to enchant, and to remind us of the importance of preserving our natural heritage. Its trails beckon adventurers to explore, its hidden gems await discovery, and its diverse ecosystems serve as a testament to the resilience of nature. As we bid farewell to this enchanting destination, we carry with us memories of breathtaking vistas, tranquil trails, and the timeless allure of Bac Ma Mountain. It is a journey steeped in beauty, adventure, and discovery. A journey that has allowed us to connect with nature in its purest form. Bac Ma Mountain, with its diverse ecosystems and scenic landscapes, will forever remain a beacon of natural beauty and conservation in the heart of Vietnam.